Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70 and today I would like to show you how you can change the Wood apps on this device. Begin with opening Play Store and installing your new Wood app. In my case, Opera browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to install and click Home button. Now tap on Settings and choose Apps and Notifications right away. Then click on the Wood apps and tap on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I will go with Browser app, click on my Opera to set it up and simply go back. As you can see, after that, the Wood app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!